When was the last time you restarted your phone? Last week? Last month? Or maybe you've never restarted at all? Well, that tiny habit might be slowly ruining your phone, killing battery life, slowing down performance, and even messing up your notifications. So in this video, I'll explain all the causes and problems you face if you never restart your phone, and I'll also show you a simple solution to fix it. So make sure to watch this video till the end. And if you're new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe for more simple and useful tech tips. So let's get started. So first we will see what happens inside when you never restart your phone. Every time you open an app, your phone stores temporary data, called cache, and uses RAM to keep it running. Now here's the catch. Even after you close the app, some parts of it keep running quietly in the background. And if you never restart your phone, that temporary data builds up over time. Your RAM gets full, and your phone starts to slow down. Think of it like your phone's brain. It gets tired, messy, and overloaded if you never let rest. Now let's see what problems you will face if you never restart your phone regularly. So due to that, your apps freeze or crash. Your phone gets very hot. Also, your phone battery drains faster. And your phone notifications come late or don't show up at all. And sometimes your phone Wi-Fi or mobile network randomly drops. And overall, everything of your phone just feels slow. I know, you're facing with all these problems in your phone. So for that, we have one simple solution. Restart your phone once a week, because it clears your phone memory, shuts down your phone background processes, fixes minor bugs, boosts your phone performance, and keeps your phone running like new. So now you know what really happens when you don't restart your phone. Don't wait till your phone lags, crashes, or overheats. Just restart it once a week and keep it healthy. Now let me know in the comments, when was the last time you restarted your phone? I am waiting for your response. So, see you in next video. But before that, if you like my videos, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.